In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create instant TikTok videos using this AI tool in a matter of seconds. You don't have to create a story, this tool will create for you. You don't have to have music, this tool will do everything for you. And the surprising part is it creates videos in seconds, and you can create as many as you can each and every day and then publish them on your TikTok account, or even create YouTube shorts and then start monetizing, and these videos will go viral within a short period of time. So let's just have a sneak peek into a video that I've just created that we shall use for our TikTok video.
In a bustling city, a strange pattern emerged. Late-night pedestrians reported whispers from alleyways. One night, as Jenna hurried home, she heard her name softly called. Curious, she peered into the shadows when a voice warned, "Don't look back." Frightened, Jenna rushed away. But the next morning, a news alert revealed a missing person, similar to her. Rumors spread. Some claimed it was a ghost seeking companionship. Others said it was a lure for the reckless. Longtime residents recalled an urban legend, a spirit haunting the city streets, punishing those who trespassed in its domain. As months passed, eerie warnings echoed through late-night streets. No one could verify the tales, yet the fear lingered. Were they mere stories or cautionary truths? Jenna pondered, glancing over her shoulder despite herself.
I'll kindly request that you watch up to the end of this video so that you don't miss any step on how you can create these instant viral TikTok videos. My name is Isaac and this is A Minute with AI. Before I proceed, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me, and I'll really appreciate that. So let's get into it. And to do that, we are going to use this platform called Short AI. Go to this website and then click on Start Creating for free. And this will take you to this page where you can log in with your Google account. And then you land on this interface. This is the page that you can start creating from. Now, if you look on top here, we have faceless video ideas such as Reddit stories, fake text, and AI video. So we are most interested in AI video, and we are going to use this feature of AI story video to create our short TikTok videos. Great. And from here, you'll choose an avatar that you want to use. Choose any of them. So for instance, I'm going to choose this watercolor style and then tap or click on next to proceed. Now then you land on this page where you have to choose the stories you want to create according to the niche that you select. So you can create interesting stories, long form jokes, bedtime stories, scary stories, life pro tips, and so many others, even motivational. You have even urban legends. Let us click on urban legend, and this tool will go ahead and create for us a story. You can choose the script length either between 30 seconds to 60 or 60 to 90, or rather 90 to 120. I like to keep it short to be between 30 to 60. So select that and then leave this as blank as it is. Then go ahead and click generate script. So this tool will go ahead and automatically generate an AI script. And now you can add a video hook if you want, and also a call to action. You are recommended to choose or your script to have around 1000 words or 1000 characters per minute of video. And as you can see, ours has 828, so we are just okay. So to generate it, go ahead and tap on next. And then from here, you want to go ahead and choose the style for your subtitles. So I'll choose this and then click on next. Then go ahead and choose the voice that you want to use or to accompany with your video. So sample through them.
Bądź tu teraz.
Whether you think you can or you think you can't, you are right.
I think I'll go with this, so I'll click on it. Then choose whether you want to accompany your video with a music background. If you want, go ahead and toggle this and choose from a selection of music that is here. Let me go with the refresher. I'll select this. And then finally, let's generate our video. So I'll go ahead and click on generate. And then this tool will go ahead and create the video that we shall use to upload on our TikTok account. So our video is ready. It has been generated and we can go ahead and download it from here. And if I click on that, it will be downloaded straight to our computer. So I want us to go ahead and listen in to what we just created.
In a bustling city, a strange pattern emerged. Late-night pedestrians reported whispers from alleyways. One night, as Jenna hurried home, she heard her name softly called. Curious, she peered into the shadows when a voice warned, "Don't look back." Frightened.
Great, so that's our AI video that we have generated, and we can now use this video for our TikTok creation, and you can create as many as you can. So you may be asking, how much will it cost you to have these AI videos generated using this tool? With this tool, you can have a channel plan that you can get started with, which is essentially for $15. So if you have a channel, you can go ahead and use this. Choose one of them that suits you and then start this creation. So go out and try this tool and create any type of content within seconds. So if you enjoyed this video, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.